In the infinite expanse of space, where stars twinkle like tiny distant beacons of hope, there existed a place unlike any other, a place where the dreams of countless nations converged in harmony. This place was the International Space Station, affectionately known as the ISS. The International Space Station wasn't just a marvel of human engineering. It was a testament to what humanity could achieve when we set aside our differences and work together. But little did the world know, the International Space Station held a secret, a magical secret that only revealed itself in the darkest hours of the night. High above the Earth, the International Space Station floated silently, orbiting the planet at breathtaking speed. Inside, astronauts from all over the world carried out their daily tasks, conducting experiments, maintaining the station, and occasionally gazing out at the mesmerizing view of the Earth below. One such astronaut was Captain Mia Reynolds, a seasoned explorer who had spent years training for this mission. Mia was no stranger to the vastness of space, but even she couldn't shake the feeling that something extraordinary awaited her on this journey. One evening, as Mia floated near the large observation window of the International Space Station, she noticed something unusual. Among the countless stars, one star seemed to be whispering, its light pulsating in a rhythmic pattern, almost as if it were trying to communicate. Curiosity sparked within her, and she moved closer, her breath catching in her throat. "Is it just my imagination?" Mia whispered to herself, but deep down, she knew it wasn't. That night, when the rest of the crew had retired to their quarters, Mia returned to the observation window. The whispering star was still there, its light flickering in a dance of cosmic language. She reached out, her hand barely grazing the cold glass of the window. And then, something miraculous happened. The star's light grew brighter, and suddenly the entire room was bathed in a warm golden glow. Mia felt a gentle pull, as if the star were inviting her to listen, to understand. She closed her eyes, and in that moment, she could hear it. The star was singing, a soft melody filled with hope and wisdom. It was the song of the universe, a tune that had echoed through the cosmos since the dawn of time. The star's light wrapped around her, and for a brief moment, Mia was transported beyond the International Space Station, beyond Earth, to a place where the boundaries of time and space no longer existed. She found herself standing on the surface of a distant planet, its sky a swirling canvas of vibrant colors. Around her, figures began to appear, ancient beings made of stardust and light, their forms shifting like the wind. They were the keepers of the cosmos, guardians of the balance between worlds. "Welcome, Captain Mia," one of the keepers spoke, its voice resonating like the gentle hum of a distant galaxy. "You have been chosen to witness the true purpose of the International Space Station, a purpose that extends far beyond scientific exploration." Mia's heart raced. "What is it?" she asked, her voice barely above a whisper. The keeper gestured to the sky, where the International Space Station appeared, shining brighter than ever. "The ISS is not merely a space station," the keeper explained. "It is a beacon, a symbol of unity, and a bridge between worlds. But more than that, it is a vessel of peace, carrying the hopes and dreams of humanity into the cosmos." Mia's eyes widened as she realized the magnitude of what she was hearing. "The International Space Station, it's more than just a place for experiments and research," she said, awe filling her voice. "Indeed," the keeper replied. "The International Space Station represents the potential for peace, not just on Earth, but across the universe. When nations work together in harmony, they create ripples that extend far beyond their borders. These ripples reach us, the keepers, and they influence the very fabric of reality." Mia felt a deep sense of responsibility wash over her. "But what can I do?" she asked. "I'm just one person." The keeper smiled, a gentle light radiating from its form. "One person can change the course of history," it said. "One act of kindness, one moment of understanding, can alter the destiny of worlds. Your mission, Captain Mia, is to carry this message back to Earth. Remind your people that the International Space Station is a symbol of what they can achieve when they stand together, not apart." Mia nodded, determination filling her heart. "I will," she promised. "I will share this message with everyone. We need to remember why the International Space Station was built and what it stands for." As she spoke, the planet around her began to fade, the colors blending into a soft, warm glow. The keepers smiled, their forms becoming one with the light. "Farewell, Captain Mia," they said in unison. "May your journey be filled with peace and wisdom." In the blink of an eye, Mia was back on the International Space Station, standing alone by the observation window. The whispering star had returned to its usual steady glow, but the memory of its song lingered in her mind. She placed her hand on the glass, feeling a connection with the universe like never before. Over the next few days, Mia shared her experience with the crew. At first, they were skeptical, thinking it might have been a dream or a trick of the mind. But as Mia spoke, they began to see the truth in her words. The International Space Station was indeed a beacon of unity, and their mission was more than just scientific. It was about fostering peace and understanding among all people. With renewed purpose, the crew worked together, their hearts united by a shared vision. They knew that their work on the International Space Station was just the beginning, that their message of unity would echo back to Earth and beyond. As their mission drew to a close, Mia took one last look at the whispering star, a smile tugging at her lips. She knew that her journey was far from over. The message she carried would inspire others, sparking a movement that would unite nations, not just in space, but on Earth as well. And so, the International Space Station continued its silent orbit, a symbol of hope in the vastness of space. But now, it was more than just a space station. It was a reminder that when humanity stands together, there is nothing we cannot achieve. As the stars whispered their ancient song, Mia knew that the universe was listening, and that the future was bright. The light of unity would guide them all across the cosmos and beyond. And thus, the story of the Whispering Star came to an end, but its message lived on, echoing in the hearts of all who heard it. It reminded them that no matter how vast the universe may seem, when we work together, even the stars themselves will whisper in harmony.